Hi there, and welcome to English Tales Time. Today we'll explore the life of Pope Leo XIV. The story is simple and easy to understand, perfect for practicing your English listening. Have you ever heard of someone who changed history forever? Birth, childhood, and family. Robert Francis Prevost was born in Chicago, USA, in 1955. He grew up in a modest neighborhood with his parents and two siblings. His father worked as a mechanic, and his mother was a school teacher. From a young age, Robert was curious and loved to read. He often visited the local library and enjoyed learning about different cultures. His family was devoutly Catholic, attending Mass every Sunday. These early experiences planted the seeds of faith in his heart. He admired the priests at his church and dreamed of serving others. As a teenager, he participated in community service and youth groups. These activities deepened his desire to dedicate his life to God. His parents supported his aspirations, encouraging him to follow his calling. Robert's childhood was filled with love, faith, and a strong sense of purpose. These formative years shaped the man he would become. He learned the values of compassion, humility, and service. These principles guided him throughout his life. Let's move to the next part of the story: education and formation. After high school, Robert joined the Augustinian order, a Catholic religious community. He studied philosophy and theology at Villanova University in Pennsylvania. His studies deepened his understanding of faith and human nature. He was known for his thoughtful questions and kind demeanor. In 1982, he was ordained as a priest. Eager to serve, he volunteered for missionary work in Peru. He believed that helping others was the true path to God. His education prepared him for the challenges ahead. He learned to speak Spanish fluently and embraced the Peruvian culture. His time in Peru would become a defining chapter in his life. Education was not just about books. It was about understanding people. Robert's formation was both academic and spiritual. He grew in wisdom and compassion. Now, let's see how his career began. An early career. In Peru, Father Robert served in the city of Chiclayo. He worked in parishes, taught in seminaries, and supported local communities. He was known for his humility and dedication. He often visited remote villages, bringing comfort and hope. His efforts improved education and health care in the region. He built strong relationships with the people he served. In 1999, he was appointed as the Bishop of Chiclayo. His leadership was marked by inclusivity and compassion. He focused on empowering the marginalized and promoting social justice. His work gained recognition beyond Peru. In 2014, Pope Francis appointed him as the head of the Augustinian order. Later, in 2023, he became the prefect of the dicastery for bishops in the Vatican. His journey from Chicago to Rome was guided by faith and service. Let's explore his personal life next. Personal life and relationships. As a priest and later a bishop, Robert took vows of celibacy. He dedicated his life entirely to the church and its people. He formed deep friendships with colleagues and community members. His relationships were built on mutual respect and shared faith. He was a mentor to many young priests and seminarians. He valued listening and understanding others' perspectives. His humility made him approachable and beloved. He often said, "To serve is to love." His personal life reflected his commitment to his spiritual family. He found joy in simple moments and meaningful conversations. His life was a testament to selfless devotion. Now, let's look at his major achievements. Major achievements and contributions. Robert's work in Peru transformed many lives. He improved access to education and healthcare. He advocated for the rights of indigenous communities. His leadership in the Augustinian order brought renewal and growth. As prefect of the dicastery for bishops, he played a key role in selecting new bishops worldwide. He emphasized the importance of pastoral care and humility in leadership. His efforts promoted transparency and accountability within the Church. In 2025, following the death of Pope Francis, he was elected as the 267th Pope. He chose the name Leo XIV, honoring Pope Leo XIII's legacy of social justice. His election marked a historic moment as the first American pope. His achievements reflect a life dedicated to faith, service, and reform. Let's discuss the challenges he faced. Challenges and obstacles. Overcome. Working in Peru, Robert faced poverty and limited resources. He navigated cultural differences and language barriers. He addressed skepticism and resistance to change. In the Vatican, he managed complex administrative tasks. He dealt with internal church conflicts and calls for reform. His humility helped him listen and build consensus. He remained steadfast in his mission despite criticism. His resilience inspired those around him. He believed that challenges were opportunities for growth. His journey was marked by perseverance and faith. Now, let's reflect on his legacy. Legacy and global impact. Pope Leo XIV's legacy is one of unity and compassion. He bridged cultural divides and promoted inclusivity. His leadership emphasized service over authority. He inspired a new generation of clergy and lay people. His reforms brought transparency and accountability to the Church. He strengthened relationships between the Vatican and local communities. His impact extended beyond the Catholic Church, promoting global dialogue and peace. His life demonstrated the power of humility and service. He reminded the world that true leadership is rooted in love. Let's explore some interesting facts about him. Fun facts: Pope Leo XIV is the first American-born pope in history. He holds dual citizenship, American and Peruvian. He is fluent in English, Spanish, and Italian. He is the first Augustinian friar to become pope. He chose the name Leo XIV to honor Pope Leo XIII's commitment to social justice. A baby seagull landed on the Sistine Chapel moments before his election, seen by many as a sign. He is known for his simple lifestyle and love for classical music. He enjoys reading and often recommends books to his staff. He has a warm smile that comforts those around him. His favorite quote is, "To serve is to reign." Pope Leo XIV's journey from Chicago to the Vatican is a story of faith, service, and humility. He reminds us that true leadership is about serving others with love and compassion. His life teaches us that with dedication and faith, we can overcome challenges and make a difference. Let his story inspire you to listen, to serve, and to lead with kindness. Keep going, like he did.